Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution, Real Concept International Institute, Madrasa, School and College, Lasutpur Shatkira, Shatkira. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is chapel. One of the day most mercy of Allah He created mankind, when the feelings of happiness, laughter and joy, so that man could relax their mind. He also created mankind, fulfilled when the feelings of happiness of the chapel. The Quran states Surah An-Nisa, verses 86, when a courteous greeting is offered to you, no disturbance is enough for today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.